go ahead and park it there. Yo.
What are you doing? Are you so cuddly?
Come on, Lola.
Oh, baby. Oh,
Let's go I know with the plan and what black I do can eat. Look at that robot. Let's go eat doodoo.
Source close to J-Law told ET kids were always in the couple's future, and they began the discussion of starting a family shortly after getting married.
Oh, kept trying to figure out why Ace wasn't answering me when I called him, and this is why.
Start your engine. And go. Ready? Start your engine. Yes.
What is going on?
Look at
Yeah, Lily too.
Oh, nearly two.
Hey, come here. Over here. Over here.
that way.
Come on.
Man, can I have a shot of tequila, please? Okay, on it.
You go slide down.
What did you do?
Well, I told you don't leave, and you left, so I did what I had to do.
What is this?
You see what it is. You see?
Why would you do that?
Because I said don't leave.
This is...
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
Look at y'all. Early in the morning. Meat to meat. Y'all just some disrespectful little puppies.
Want a goldfish? Okay. Yeah. What do you have? Is it a goldfish?
Watch, this is my dog Lady. She's 17 years old. And she's just like looking at me, but I know exactly what she wants. She wants me to take her bed and bring it next to me because she doesn't like being alone, even though this is like 10 feet from me. Watch this. Over here. Go ahead, Lady. Now she's happy.
Yep. You never know what she's gonna do.
I think Paisley's stuck in the couch.
Man, I've been looking absolutely everywhere for my do-rag, and I cannot find... Oh, Kelly, you gotta be careful with that. That's not a blanket. Dog with the waves.
This threw a snowball at me.
This is attempted.
Careful. She's scared. Oh my god.